Hey guys, another sing-along for you. Anybody know what that is? Anyone? Right, it's a sewing machine. And they've been around for quite some time. And when settlers came over to the New World, back in 17, 1800s, and they got jobs in these factories that were, stitching fabric to make things, they actually created a song that goes with that. It's a folk song, and it originally started as a Dutch song, but the words don't mean anything. It's just supposed to mimic the sound of the thing going up and down because there's something called a treadle, and you pushed on it, and it was more to keep the beat and everything, and everyone started singing these songs. So the words are pretty simple. They repeat. It goes Sarasponda, 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 ret set set. Sarasponda, 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 ret set set. Do re o, do re boom de o, do re boom de ret set set. Ase passe o. And then it goes back to the Sarasponda part. I'll have this going and I'll sing it so you get an idea for it. And so please join me if you would. This is how it went. Ready? Sarasponda, 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 ret set set. Sarasponda, 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 ret set set. Adore-o, adore boom de-o, adore boom de ret set set. Ase passe-o, adore-o, adore boom de-o, adore boom de ret set set. Ase passe-o, Sarasponda, 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 ret set set. Sarasponda, 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 ret set set. Adore-o, adore boom de-o, adore boom de ret set set. Ase passe-o, adore-o, adore boom de-o, adore boom de ret set set. Ase passe-o. That's how it went, and they used that to keep the rhythm of their feet because it wasn't machine powered like I got a foot pedal that runs a motor. These were powered with their feet. So as they pushed down it was a giant pedal. It helped the machine spin, and it helped all the workers kind of keep time. So they would do this all day. I mean, 8, 10, 12 hours a day. That's a long time, but it helps pass the time. So that was your daily sing along. Well, once a week, 2 weeks, I don't know, something like that.